in the clouds that are drifting by. Imagine they were little islands made out of hope and of glue and cotton wool, floating colony in the evening sky. Guide me on my way into nowhere. Guide me on my way into nowhere. Guide me on my way into nowhere. What if I hijacked one of them? What if I lived as friendly nomad in the sky with a little bird and a violin? It would carry me high into the mountains. It would carry me far, far across the sea and erase all doubts I'm tangled in. Could anybody tell me where I am? Where I'll end up or where I began? Can you tell me where the swallows leap and if they guide me south? Ooh, guide me on my way into nowhere. Guide me on my way into nowhere. Guide me on my way into nowhere. I'll bury you deep, little swallow. I'll bury you deep beneath the ever-blooming reeds, and the silent clouds will shed their tears for you. I carry you home, little swallow. I carry you further than your small ones would have done. Sing a song for you, you'll never hear. Guide me on my way into nowhere. The indifferent clouds are no airships, just indifferent clouds, and I knew it all along as I pointed my finger at their silhouettes. Could anybody tell me indifferent clouds won't hear the Norway? The indifferent clouds won't hear the Simon. Can you tell me we just toss our way into the nowhere? I lay in the grass in the garden. I lay in the grass like I did it as a child, just to watch the clouds and let the world go by. Just to watch the clouds and let the world go by. Just to watch the clouds and let the world